Renting a moving truck can save money, but choosing the wrong one can make your move stressful and expensive. Here's what to know before you book. Start by choosing the right truck size. A truck that is too small may require extra trips, while one that is too large can cost more and be harder to drive. Next, truck rentals often include extra charges for mileage, fuel, insurance, equipment rentals, tolls, and late returns. You should also think about driving conditions. Large moving trucks can be difficult to handle, especially for first-time drivers. Narrow streets, parking, low bridges, and bad weather can make driving more challenging. Timing matters too. Truck rentals are in high demand during weekends, holidays, and peak moving season, so booking early can help you save money and secure availability. Finally, make sure you have enough help. Loading and unloading heavy furniture takes time, planning, and physical effort. Having extra hands can make the move safer and faster. With the right preparation, renting a moving truck can be a cost-effective way to move without unnecessary stress. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move.